Have you ever closed your SSH session and lost hours of work? Or wished you could split your terminal into multiple windows without opening dozens of tabs? If you're using Linux, Kali Linux, Ubuntu, or even a remote VPS, there's one tool that can completely change the way you work. It's called TMUX, and today I'll show you everything you need to know in just 5 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create sessions, split your terminal, switch between windows, detach safely, and reconnect later like a professional. Let's get started. What is TMUX? TMUX stands for Terminal Multiplexer. Think of it as a terminal manager. Instead of opening 5 different terminal windows, TMUX lets you run multiple terminals inside one screen. Even better, your work keeps running after you disconnect. Imagine you're running a long scan on a remote Linux server. Normally, if your internet drops, your scan stops. With TMUX, the process keeps running in the background. You simply reconnect later and continue exactly where you left off. That's why developers, system administrators, DevOps engineers, cybersecurity professionals, and ethical hackers all rely on TMUX every day. Installing TMUX is simple. On Ubuntu, Debian, or Kali Linux, --bash sudo apt update sudo apt install TMUX --on Fedora, --bash sudo dnf install TMUX on Arch Linux, --bash sudo pacman stmux to verify the installation, --bash tmuxv if you see a version number, you're ready to go. Creating your first session, start TMUX with --bash tmux --. You'll notice the terminal looks almost the same. But now you're inside a TMUX session. To create a named session, --bash tmux new s work naming sessions makes it much easier to organize different projects. For example, Pentest Web Server Coding Lab. Each project can have its own independent workspace. The prefix key TMUX commands begin with a special shortcut called the prefix key. By default, it's Ctrl+B. Press Ctrl+B, release it, then press another key. For example, Ctrl+B then C creates a brand new window. Think of it like opening a new browser tab. Windows and panes. One of TMUX's most powerful features is splitting your screen. Create a vertical split. Ctrl+B, then create a horizontal split. Ctrl+B, then now you can run different commands simultaneously. For example, top left, monitor system resources. Bottom, edit files. Right, run a Python script. Everything happens inside one terminal window. Move between panes using Ctrl+B, then the arrow keys. It's fast, clean, and incredibly efficient. Detach and reattach. This is the feature that makes TMUX famous. Suppose you're running a scan that will take several hours. Instead of keeping your laptop open all night, simply detach. Press Ctrl+B, then D. Your session continues running safely in the background. Later, reconnect using --bash tmux attach or, if you have multiple sessions, --bash tmux ls you'll see every active session. Reconnect to a specific one, --bash tmux attach twork everything will be exactly as you left it. Useful commands. Here are a few commands every beginner should know. Create a new session, --bash tmux new s my session list sessions, --bash tmux ls attach, --bash tmux attach t my session kill a session, tmux kill session t my session rename the current window, Ctrl+B, then switch between windows, Ctrl+B then N for next. Or Ctrl+B then P for previous. These shortcuts quickly become second nature. Why ethical hackers love TMUX. TMUX is incredibly useful during authorized security testing and lab environments. For example, one pane can monitor logs. Another can run a packet capture. A third can edit scripts. A fourth can keep an SSH connection open. Everything stays organized without opening dozens of terminal windows. Whether you're studying Linux, practicing in a home lab, managing servers, or learning ethical hacking, TMUX can dramatically improve your workflow. And that's TMUX in just 5 minutes. It's lightweight, free, open source, and one of the most valuable Linux tools you can learn. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Linux, cybersecurity, and ethical hacking tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.